Hey everyone, George here with New Age Studios. You're scrolling through Instagram, looking at some beautiful photos, and you think to yourself, I need pictures like these. Then brings another question, who's gonna take them? Everyone needs to look for a photographer every once in a while. So today we're gonna go over the top 7 tips of how to find the perfect photographer. I could have chosen 5, I could have chosen 10, but I thought about 5 and then found that there was 7 really good options. So anyways, let's dive into the video. How can we choose the perfect photographer? Tip number 1, look at the photographer's portfolio. A photographer's portfolio is their visual resume. When you look at it, make sure that it resonates with your vision and make sure that it's consistent with your style and your quality to make sure you have a successful project. Tip number 2, check clients' testimonials and reviews. Did the shoot live up to their expectation? Was their vision carried out? You can also check Google, even the photographer's website or social media. Positive feedback and positive testimonials are a really good indicator that you made the right choice. Tip number 3, meet your photographer in person or virtually. I know I have a hard time taking selfies in public, and I can imagine it's uncomfortable for other people too, let alone a complete stranger taking my photos. Being able to meet your photographer virtually or in person will help you get comfortable, and you can gauge if you vibe with them and if overall if it's going to be a good shoot or not. After all, you're going to be spending all day with them. Tip number 4, discuss their process and their equipment. How do they work from beginning to end? What does a shoot look like for them? You don't need to know every technical detail of their equipment, but even understanding a little bit of their process can give you a peace of mind. Tip number 5, understand their pricing and their packages. Make sure you're clear on what's included in their pricing. Is there extra charges for additional hours or additional digital files? Make sure you're clear and you have a full understanding of the cost up front so you can avoid any surprises later on. Tip number 6, ask about backup plans. Not everything goes according to plan. Ask your photographer what happens if me or you become ill, or if our equipment malfunctions, do we have a backup? Making sure that our photographer is prepared will give you peace of mind and ensures that our event or session will go smoothly. And tip number 7, trust your instincts. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Your photographer should make you feel excited to work with them, and you should feel like you're working with somebody who understands your vision and is going to help you carry that out. And there you have it, 7 essential tips to help you find the perfect photographer. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to New Age Studios and hit the bell icon as well so you never miss an update. If you want to share your experiences or if you have any questions of your own, put them in the comment section. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much. Let's take some photos.